Yo man, it's just the boy Sway coming back with another freaking video with the Camaro 6-speed ZL1 headers, upper pulley, all types of stuff. It's sounding crazy now. And I'm gonna just give y'all a little drive, another little drive. I'm back with the POV videos. The car was down for a second because we installing all the cams and the valve springs and stuff like that. But now we back, and yeah man, so if y'all enjoyed the video, I'm not really gonna talk too much, but y'all know how this stuff goes. Y'all enjoyed the video, and let's get to cruising. I do need a new clutch too. It's slipping a little bit. So the car sounds insane. As y'all can see, I do have a little clutch slipping, so it's not going straight into power, then it goes into power. So I gotta get a new clutch. Oh yeah, it's crazy. Paradise, my boy JP too, man. You gotta keep pushing, man. Insane now, it's a different car. Literally a different car. I do need to get a, well, I have a exhaust already, the X pipe. Get some different tips. Do my supercharging coolant also, because my stuff is a little too hot right now. But I do have my gauges, my AFM gauge or whatever it's called, so you can see my airflow and stuff like that. So I have that. Well, it's coming in the mail. Get that chopping, y'all. God damn. That's crazy. That chopping is crazy. worry about gas mileage when you get a cam. Shit, don't worry about gas mileage if you get a car like this. If you get a ZL1, don't worry about the gas mileage because it's the wrong car. If you're trying to save gas, don't get this car. What are you? What are you doing? Chop. Like, damn. Use your turn signal. Cool down now because I've been running it hard. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Video probably is not that long, but I don't know how long this video is. I've just been driving, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video, comment on the video if y'all want more POVs. I know y'all like the POVs and stuff, so yeah, man. People literally don't use the turn signals at all. Chopping on now. But yeah, man, one thing I hate about this, since it's like header straight pipe to the back, that like when I'm saying standstill, I can literally smell all the fucking fumes, like all this gas, all this. I smell all this shit. But yeah, it sounds great though, as y'all can listen to it. It shit sounds fucking amazing. good? Well, it's crazy now, bro.
How's it going?
Chilling, brother. I'm about to just go to the crib. It sounds crazy, bro.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, it's the cam, upper pulley.
What's your mileage per gallon though now?
Right now, the last 52 miles is just 9. Right now,
9?
Yeah, for the last 52 miles. But I've been pushing on it like crazy.
Yeah.
So,
that's nuts.
yeah, it's fucking nuts now, bro.
So what all was it? What kind of cams did you get?
I got a BTR stage 3 cam. I got upper pulley. I got headers. I put like new valve springs, new lifters and shit like that in there. And I got an E85 kit, but I'm gonna put it on like a couple months or something.
Yeah, there's not much unless you go to Brownstown.
Yeah.
That kind of sucks.
But yeah, I got the E85 kit and shit like that, but I ain't put it on yet. So I put it on.
Transmission holding it fine?
Yeah, well, my clutch is kind of slipping right now, but yeah, cause the power now.
Yeah.
But I got a, what is it, like a stage 3 dual, I don't know what, it's some shit like that. Yeah.
Dude, it sounds sick. I heard you all the way down there. I was like, if that's sway, bro.
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah,
Bobby
bro.
wants to hear it really bad too.
Yeah, it's fucking nuts now, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I need to get this. I can't wait till my clutch come in because I don't like the slipping. Like when I'm going to second and third, like it like stays at the same RPM, then goes. Like I don't like that shit.
That one, I'm trying to get a Trimic for it.
Yeah, Trimic,
so I can boost it, but
yeah. They make a lot of y'all, bro. Mustangs, bro, y'all can make a lot of power without even opening the motor, bro. But I wish the Camaro was like that,
when
bro.
Me and Cameron ran it, I let him call everything he wanted. I said, you can call the miles.
Yeah.
Like, he wanted to do 60. And I was like, let's do 55.
Yeah.
60's like 6,000 a third.
Oh, yeah, damn,
I'm 373, so.
Okay, yeah.
But like NA stuff, like it does great.
Bro, it does
Obviously,
great, bro.
It's not.
Yeah, I'm boosted like a motherfucker now, but
just for like Coyote, its name, I mean, the top end's insane.
Yeah, bro, the top ends is fucking nuts, bro.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, bro.
I'll let you get going, man. It sounds
all right, brother. Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Be safe today, bro.
Yeah, you too.
Yes, sir. Well, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, like the video. I'm out, man. Peace.